welcome to the watercolor Christmas card class. My name is Cheryl and I'll be guiding you through this class. In this class we're going to be making 4 different cards using 4 different techniques and 4 different mediums. That way you get a good feel for a bunch of different ways that you can do watercolor or watercolor techniques. These are the first 2 cards that we're going to be making, and we will be watercoloring in images with different mediums. And then we're also going to be using different accents to create some texture and some interest, add a little bit of metallic, that sort of thing. The second 2 cards that we're going to create are both faux watercolor techniques, but we're going to be using 2 different mediums for them as well. And then I'm going to show you how to add different accents to just make your watercolor pieces come alive. This class also includes a supply list, and in the supply list I've broken it down into the different cards and the supplies that are used for each one. So while you're watching the videos and going through them, you don't need to actually remember all of the supplies that I'm using because they're listed on the supply list. And that list is also linked to where you can find the supplies, so if you don't have a source near you, that'll help you with finding your supplies to create your cards. Now let's get watercoloring.